If you love desserts, you're in the right place. Summer is the perfect time to indulge your sweet tooth, and there's nothing better than enjoying a delicious treat while soaking up the sunshine. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, planning a picnic in the park, or just looking for a way to cool off after a long, hot day, these desserts are guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. Imagine sitting outside with friends and family, laughter filling the air, and a table full of colorful, refreshing desserts just waiting to be enjoyed. That's what summer is all about, making memories and savoring every bite. Want to cool down this summer? When the temperature rises and the sun is blazing, there's nothing quite like a cold, sweet treat to help you beat the heat. We all know how exhausting those long, hot days can be, and sometimes all you need is a little something icy and delicious to lift your spirits. Whether you're a fan of fruity flavors, creamy textures, or a bit of crunch, I've got you covered with 3 incredible recipes that are as easy to make as they are satisfying to eat. So, grab your favorite spoon, and let's dive into a world of cool, refreshing desserts that will make this summer your sweetest one yet. Let's whip up 3 sweet treats you can't miss. These recipes are perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned home baker or just starting out in the kitchen. Each dessert is designed to be simple, quick, and absolutely delicious, so you can spend less time cooking and more time enjoying the sunshine. Plus, they use fresh, wholesome ingredients that are easy to find at your local market. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to create some magic in your kitchen. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. First up, watermelon slush pops. All you need is fresh watermelon, a bit of lime juice, and honey. Watermelon is the ultimate summer fruit, juicy, hydrating, and naturally sweet. When you blend it with a splash of zesty lime juice and a drizzle of honey, you get a flavor combination that's both refreshing and irresistible. These slush pops are perfect for kids and adults alike, and they're a great way to use up any extra watermelon you might have on hand. Plus, they're free from artificial flavors and colors, so you can feel good about serving them to your family. Blend, pour into molds, and freeze. It's really that simple. Just cut your watermelon into chunks, toss them into a blender with the lime juice and honey, and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds, pop them in the freezer, and in a few hours, you'll have a batch of icy, fruity popsicles that are perfect for cooling down on a hot day. If you don't have popsicle molds, you can use small paper cups and wooden sticks, just as fun and just as tasty. These pops are a hit at summer parties, and they're a great way to get kids excited about eating fruit. That's it, instant icy goodness. The best part? You can customize these pops with your favorite add-ins. Try tossing in a handful of fresh mint leaves for a burst of cool flavor, or add a few berries for extra color and nutrition. However you make them, these watermelon slush pops are sure to become a summer staple in your home. Watch as the kids run around the yard, popsicle in hand, faces sticky with watermelon juice, and smiles. It's the taste of summer, frozen on a stick. Next, let's make mango yogurt parfaits. Grab some Greek yogurt, ripe mangoes, and crunchy granola. This dessert is a celebration of layers: creamy, tangy yogurt, sweet, juicy mangoes, and a satisfying crunch from the granola. Mangoes are at their peak in summer, bursting with flavor and natural sweetness. Greek yogurt adds a rich, creamy texture and a boost of protein, making this parfait not only delicious but also nourishing. And the granola? It brings everything together with a delightful crunch that keeps you coming back for more. Layer them in a glass: yogurt, mango, granola, repeat. Start with a spoonful of creamy Greek yogurt at the bottom of your glass. Add a layer of diced mango, then sprinkle on some granola. Repeat the layers until you reach the top, finishing with a final flourish of mango and a sprinkle of granola. You can even add a drizzle of honey or a handful of coconut flakes for extra flavor. These parfaits are as beautiful as they are tasty, with vibrant colors and tempting textures in every bite. Easy, healthy, and super tasty. These parfaits are perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or a light dessert after dinner. They're also great for entertaining. Just assemble them in advance and keep them chilled until you're ready to serve. Your guests will be impressed by how pretty they look, and you'll love how simple they are to make. Plus, you can swap out the mango for any other summer fruit you love. Try peaches, berries, or pineapple for a fun twist. However you make them, these parfaits are sure to be a hit all summer long. Last, we've got no-bake cookie dough bites. Mix oat flour, peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. If you're craving something a little more indulgent, these cookie dough bites are the answer. They're soft, chewy, and packed with rich, nutty flavor from the peanut butter. The oat flour gives them a wholesome base, while the chocolate chips add just the right amount of sweetness. Best of all, there's no baking required. Just mix, roll, and chill. It's the perfect treat for those days when you want something sweet, but don't want to turn on the oven. Roll into balls, chill in the fridge, and snack away. These bites are great for meal prep. Make a batch at the beginning of the week, and you'll have a quick, satisfying snack ready whenever you need it. They're also perfect for lunchboxes, road trips, or late-night cravings. If you want to mix things up, try adding chopped nuts, dried fruit, or a sprinkle of sea salt on top. However you customize them, these no-bake cookie dough bites are sure to become a new favorite in your dessert rotation. See? Dessert can be cool, quick, and crazy delicious. With just a few simple ingredients and a little creativity, you can whip up treats that are perfect for any summer occasion. Whether you're sharing them with friends at a picnic, serving them at a family barbecue, or just enjoying a quiet moment on your own, these desserts are sure to make your summer a little sweeter. Try these recipes and let us know your favorite in the comments. We love hearing about your kitchen adventures and seeing your delicious creations. Stay sweet and beat the heat. Remember, summer is all about enjoying the simple pleasures in life. Good food, good company, and plenty of sunshine. So, treat yourself to something special, share it with the people you love, and make this summer one to remember. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes all season long.